of the game. It's a rich thing.
What if I told you that in the next 6 to 12 months, you could go from zero knowledge of AI to getting hired in one of the most exciting fields of the 21st century? Sounds crazy? Good, because that's exactly what we are diving into today. Artificial intelligence is not just the future, it's now. But here is the truth. Most people drown in tutorials, courses, and buzzwords, and give up. You don't need a PhD from MIT. You just need a real roadmap, and maybe less time watching cat videos. In this video, I will give you the clearest, most actionable path to master AI and land your first job, even if you are starting from absolute zero. And trust me, you'll want to stay till the end, because I will share a powerful secret that most AI job seekers totally miss. So buckle up, because the journey starts now. Picture this. You're sitting at your desk. It's late. You just trained your very first neural network, and it worked. The model predicts with 94% accuracy. And suddenly, the world of AI opens up to you. But before this moment, confusion, imposter syndrome, feeling like everyone else is smarter than you. The truth is, AI can feel intimidating, but only if you don't have a plan. So here is what we will do. Break it down into 6 clear stages, each designed to build the skills that top AI companies actually look for. Stage number 1, the foundations. Learn math and Python. Every great AI mind started here. Math and Python. This is your gym. You'll build your core with linear algebra, calculus, and probability. Don't run. You don't need to be a math genius, just consistent. If you can survive high school algebra, you can survive this. No sweat. Okay, maybe some sweat. Pair that with Python, your weapon of choice. Learn how to manipulate data, visualize trends, and automate tasks. Use tools like NumPy, Pandas, and Matplotlib. Think of this as your AI bootcamp. Once you've got your basics down, it's time to enter the machine. Stage number 2, learn core machine learning. This is where you start to think like a machine. Learn how algorithms like linear regression, decision trees, and k-means actually work. Don't just use the libraries, understand what they're doing under the hood. You'll use scikit-learn, explore real datasets on Kaggle, and start creating end-to-end ML models. Trust me, the first time your code predicts the future, you'll feel like Iron Man. Stage number 3, learn deep learning. Now it gets deep, literally. Welcome to deep learning. Neural networks, CNNs, RNNs, transformers. This is the tech behind facial recognition, self-driving cars, and yes, ChatGPT. You'll learn to build your own neural nets with PyTorch or TensorFlow. And here is a secret. Don't get stuck in tutorial hell. Build, break, repeat. AI is evolving faster than any field in tech. If you're not moving forward, you're falling behind. Stage number 4, specialize strategically. AI is huge. You can't do it all. So specialize. You have plenty of options. For example, you can specialize in NLP. If you are interested in building chatbots and transformers, you can specialize in computer vision. If you are interested in object detection and OCR, you can also specialize in reinforcement learning, in which you will study how intelligent agents learn to make decisions in dynamic environments to maximize a reward signal. Choose the path that excites you, because passion is greater than perfection when learning gets tough. Stage number 5, build your portfolio. This is where your learning becomes real. Employers don't care about your core certificates. They care about projects. I have also brought some project ideas for you guys. You can save them for later on. Number 1 is image classifier that classifies images of cats and dogs. Number 2 is AI-based sentiment analyzer. Number 3 is custom chatbot with GPT API. Here is a bonus tip for you. Document everything. Blog it, tweet it, make noise. Let the world see your progress. Stage number 6. Get the job. Now it's time to cash in your skills. Learn how to talk about your projects in interviews. The key AI questions companies love. Resume strategies that actually get callbacks. Don't just apply for jobs. Network. Contribute to open source. Join AI communities. Sometimes, who you know beats what you know. And at the end, I will reveal the one thing that separates job hunters from job winners in AI. Here is the truth. AI isn't reserved for geniuses. It's built by relentless learners. People just like you. People who start small, stay consistent, and build momentum. You now have the map, but maps don't matter if you don't start walking. Most people try to learn everything, but the winners? They go deep on one thing, they build real projects, and they share their journey with the world. So start today. Start now. The future is not waiting, and neither should you. If you found this roadmap valuable, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment in the comment section below if you're ready to start your AI journey. And hey, if you're serious, I'll be releasing a full AI study planner next week. You don't want to miss that.